Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Irene Everywhere. Thanks for tuning in, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos, and please guys, don't forget to turn on your notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. So today we'll be doing the pouring technique, and I'm going to be making use of acrylic paint. At first I was confused on the color scheme to use, then I decided to make use of white, yellow in 3 different shades, orange and brown, and a darker brown that looks more like black but it's actually a dark brown. So guys, here's just me pouring my white color, then I went in with my yellow, the lightest tone of my yellow, following the already laid white. I tried to pour gently. While painting, I tried to keep my mind open because I don't even know what the outcome of that particular artwork will be. So I just try to do my best and explore my colors creatively. So here I go in again with the darkest tone of my yellow, pale yellow to be precise. Next color we're going to be using is orange, and guys, orange is one of my favorite color. Although orange and green, for most of my works I make use of orange, and if you're very observant, you notice I make use of orange a whole lot. Then the next color we're going to be using is brown, and this brown, I felt like licking this brown. The brown looks so beautiful. So I try to pour gently, try to control my hand and pour alongside with the already laid colors. At this point guys, I was already loving this work. Then I allowed the color flow a little bit. Allowed it flow a little bit. I did same for the middle canvas. I made sure it flowed into the other canvas. While trying to allow the colors flow, I try to make sure I don't end up mixing the colors. Next color, I think the last color, that's the darkest brown, the darkest brown. I added it to the edge. I wanted it to be at the edge. That was just a choice. And it came out awesomely beautiful, if there's any word like that. At this point, if I decide to leave this work the way it is, it's still going to be beautiful. But that was not the plan for this work. So I decided to add more white at the middle of the canvas. I made sure I covered the middle with the white. Then I went in with yellow the lightest shade of yellow. I try to follow where the white color stopped at the middle. Then I used my hand to just spread it out. Then I went in again with the pale yellow, the darkest shade of the yellow. Another color I love working with is yellow because it gives my work a vibrant look, especially when I work while working on abstract works like this. I love to add a touch of yellow. Then again, guys, I poured my brown gently across the canvas. I try to control my hand so I don't pour too much of the brown. Then I used my fingers to just adjust the colors, and I used my mouth, the air for my mouth, to spread out the brown, and it gave it a flowery look. I decided to allow the color flow out a bit because it was kind of too much at a particular point. Then I continued to pour my brown. Then I used my hand to just spread out the brown, color. Guys, if I had decided to leave this work at this point, I would still be pleased with the work, but I have to finish my actual plan for this work, how I want this particular artwork to look like. So I had to pour the brown at the bottom. I tried to pour gently. I even had to apply with my brush so I don't end up pouring too much of the brown at the bottom. And this particular abstract can be placed either ways. If you want to put the bottom to the top, it's your choice. If you want to put the top as your bottom while hanging it, it's still a choice. So any way you feel like arranging this artwork, it's going to go well. Then guys, I had to blow out with my mouth. While doing the pouring technique, I make use of straw, most times straw, to blow out my colors, but I couldn't find my pack of straw, so I decided to use my mouth instead. And I love the effect the air for my mouth was giving. It turned out well, but guys, you have to be careful so you don't overblow or over stretch out the colors. It depends on your choice though. If you want it spread out wide, you want it wide. If you want the colors to spread out very wide, it depends. But for me, I was trying my best here not to over spread out the color at this point. One thing about the pouring technique is that it gives you room to do whatever you like, but you have to be very careful so your colors don't overmix. So guys, we're almost done, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and ready to paint with me next time. So please guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beautiful art and innovative tutorials. Thank you guys. Bye.